shed is getting cleaned out. Almost completely empty.
So we're hanging our bicycles from the rafters. So just pre-drilling some holes and putting these hooks in, save a little bit of space, the more things we can hang from the ceiling.
Look what Aiden found outside. It's a hermit crab. He's living in one of the tree snails. Another gorgeous bouquet, sunset, Mexican gold, some red strictas and iris heliconias, huge gingers, lots of greens.
Alright, we're here at Pollo Tropical in Mayaguez. I have an asopao de pollo, and Britton has a wrap with some tostones, some water, so buen provecho!
Here we are today in Mayaguez at the Mayaguez Medical Center, and I'm just here to pick up all of my medical records. So hopefully they're all ready and I can just walk in and get them. The wind, I think, apparently took these big banana bunches and just kind of pushed them over with the rain. Softens up the soil, get a little bit of wind, especially with the banana bunches on them, they just come down. So chop them up while they're fresh, otherwise they get really fibery.
We are here in Cabo Rojo today for a doctor's appointment, and while we're here we decided to come check out the downtown. I've never checked out the downtown plaza of Cabo Rojo, and it's really beautiful. Look at this architecture, and the statues, and this beautiful church in the background. These houses and things are super old, just really well cared for.
Okay.
Cranberry sounds nice. Guayaba. How about guayaba? So we just bought some limbers de tetas. They call them that because they look like boobs, and they cut off the tip of it, and you just eat it that way. Limbers otherwise are sold in a little cup, and you can eat them with a spoon or tip them over and eat them that way. But these are even easier.
So the next stage of this project is to deconstruct the shed. We're going to pull all these panels off. These are just T111 panels. Take the windows out, pull all of these panels, take the door out, and then do the same thing on the outside, and take the roof off.
Okay, so we're trying to clean up this pile back here as we take down this shed. So I'm processing out some of these old pieces of wood and just clearing off the vines and seeing what we can save and what we should throw out. And Britton's going to help me chop these up into small pieces so we can put them in the contractor bag and hopefully clean up the space so that we will be prepared for the next one. So Britton has been taking down all of these panels, and so we're almost just down to the studs of this old shed. So it's feeling a lot cleaner. There was a lot of crap in the walls, literally, and so it's feeling a lot better already as we start to take this down so that we can prepare for the next step, which is to kind of beautify this area and have it be another kind of resting area. So a few more things we have to do before we're to that point, but this was a lot of work. We also cleared out this pile that had a lot of old wood and remnants of the house. We're putting this so far in this corner for now until we either sell it or use it. And so we're excited about the future of this space right here.